Food is more than what's on the plate. It's a tool for well-being. At the Institute of Culinary Education, we teach students the science and craft of culinary nutrition so they can create health-promoting meals that taste delicious. Food is more than fuel. It's a powerful tool for well-being, longevity, and performance. At ICE, our culinary nutrition course is designed for professionals and food enthusiasts who want to explore the intersection of nutrition and culinary craft without compromising flavor. In this course, we take an evidence-based approach to nutrition. We help students understand food and nutrient relationships, the value of serving sizes and portions, how to leverage flavor building, and how to customize cooking techniques to produce craveable meals. From plant-forward meals to balanced flexitarian dishes, we teach students how to craft delicious, nutrient-dense recipes across a wide range of global cuisines. And we explore ingredients and ingredient substitutions for a variety of special diet needs. Whether you're working with clients or simply elevating your own approach to food, this course teaches you to cook with intention.
Culinary professionals with nutrition expertise stand out in today's market. This course helps you gain the fluency and knowledge that is sought after in the growing field of health-centered cooking. From private chefs to health coaches to recipe developers, wellness-driven restaurants, and more, the demand for food professionals who understand both culinary excellence and science-backed nutrition is strong. Understanding culinary nutrition isn't just a skill, it's an advantage.
Great food nourishes more than just the body. It fuels possibility. Step into the kitchen and discover the power of culinary nutrition at ICE. Enroll today.